Hey guys, Skull Bro is here.
This is how the Queen of England peels her banana.
Now the Queen would eat a banana. We don't peel it like a primate. Instead, using the fork, we hold it in place and cut off one end. Then we cut off the other end. And then we turn the knife on its side and go into the skin like so. And then prising it open. And then cut a little bit off and eat like so.
Baggage arrival at Singapore Changi Airport.
Never know what you're going to run into out there. That's why Ford Escort has a 5-mile-per-hour bumper that absorbs a lot of punishment, which helps explain why Allstate gives Escort owners reduced rates on all major coverages, something they don't give to any competitor, foreign or domestic. Nice going, Escort. You really know how to take it on the chin.
Just a vintage 1986 portable Sony computer. Never forget when Justin Bieber's car broke down in the hood.
He in the trenches with the kid, chemo.
Justin Bieber.
On the side.
That's dope.
Right here, man. Justin Bieber in the hood, cuz. White boy. Seen that shit.
Shot that arrow, I'm hit. Need you right near me. I try to maintain. So don't mind if I turn away. Yeah.
26, house shoes, 7, my little homie.
8.
Hit them house shoes, man.
You push it like everybody else. House shoes on at the 12. Push it.
And that wraps up today's call. I'll be back soon.